Susan Skipp.
Thank you. Good evening.
Good evening.
I submitted 2 forms of testimony. One was in a form of a federal complaint that I have against the state of Connecticut and the judicial branch that has survived the domestic relations exception. If you get a chance to read it, it will give you an outline of some of the real issues that are going on, and not just these smaller issues of GALs billing too much money, but a broader picture of judges also taking place in this. I have a few questions. We have no statutory provision for GAL to be in Superior Court. However, legislation happened to have Linda Monroe's Family Commission have GAL training. I don't understand how something is legislated if there isn't a statute providing it. I think the GALs in family court, on my experience and people that I've spoken with, have destroyed families. The Children's Law Center, for example, testify that she has somebody making timesheets, but they don't account for time. They bill by the child, yet in September, the Office of the Public Defender said they pay $300 an hour for the Children's Law Center attorneys. So I think a lot of accountability is missing, both in private contracting GALs as well as the Children's Law Center GALs. The way I'm reading, maybe I'm reading 494 wrong, but it looks like more forced contracts. GALs pretty much are a forced contract. I've never had a retainer signed. My GAL stayed on the case without an appointment or a stipulation in our agreement and billed over $90,000 in the case. Then this is supposed to be child support, but this woman wrote 30 motions against me, which counted as not following the court orders. 2 of them were modifications of custody. GALs are not allowed to file motions. She billed for these motions. She billed for the days in court. She cross-examined. So it's not just a GAL issue. It's a system failure. And to say it's a GAL issue, it's really kind of being a euphemism for a larger system failure. I don't understand how 36 hours of training gives anybody more knowledge about someone's child than the parent. McDonald's cashier gets about 36 hours of training to push the picture of the French fry button on the cash register. So if we were to follow free market and training, the value of the GAL would be significantly reduced and nowhere near $250 to $850 an hour, depending on where your GALs and judges price fix. I don't agree with GAL fees being child support. GAL is supposed to function as a discretionary tool to make a finding. How is that a parent's responsibility? It has nothing to do with raising a child. It has nothing to do with litigating for a child. I filed bankruptcy to and the GAL filed a adversarial complaint, and I asked for discovery, and then she withdrew her complaint, and I objected to her withdrawing her complaint because I want discovery, as any other contract should have. I've not ever had a contract. It's all been forced. My time's up, so I hope you have questions. I don't know if I have any answers.
Are there questions?
I just want to say thanks for being here today, and you, just like everybody else who's still here, have waited a long time, so thank you for your testimony.
Thank you. I hope you do. My federal complaint is 70 pages, so I don't expect you to slog through the whole thing, but just go to the middle where all the legalese is out of it, and it will show you a pretty good rundown of, I can't say it's everybody's corrupt, but there certainly is a pocket of corrupt individuals, and they're the same names that come over again and again. So thank you for listening.
Thank you.